Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox characters. First, navigate to the Avatar Editor, which is your primary hub for customization. Here, you can select from hundreds of body parts, clothing items, and accessories to begin shaping your unique avatar. Don't forget to explore the Arthro scaling options, allowing for more realistic or stylized proportions, giving you immense creative control over your character's base look. Once you have the basics down, it is time to dive into advanced customization. The Roblox catalog offers millions of user-created items, from intricate outfits to fantastical accessories, expanding your choices significantly. For truly unique designs, consider uploading your own custom textures and decals. Additionally, experiment with various animation packages to give your character distinct movement styles, making them truly stand out in any experience. For those seeking ultimate control, Roblox Studio is your next step. Here, you can build entirely custom character models from scratch, offering unparalleled creative freedom. You can even import three-dimensional assets designed in external software like Blender, integrating them seamlessly into your Roblox world. Furthermore, scripting allows you to define unique character behaviors and animations, bringing your creations to life with interactive elements and personalized actions. To ensure your character truly shines, remember a few key tips. First, combine diverse elements from the catalog and your own creations to forge a distinct and memorable avatar. Thinking about your character's backstory can also inspire unique design choices, adding depth. Finally, always test your character in several different games to ensure both functionality and visual appeal across various Roblox experiences, making sure they look and move perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.